I'm Connor Blair. I'm a postdoctoral researcher here at the University of Glasgow, and I'm also the Chief Scientific Officer and a co-founder at Disruptyx Therapeutics, a University of Glasgow-based startup company. My background is primarily in molecular and translational pharmacology. We look to understand clinical unmet needs, identify any disease-relevant associated targets, and develop peptide-based therapies against those targets. The IAA, along with the support from the Translational Research Unit and the Research and Innovation Office, have been hugely supportive of my early research career, but also of the company as a whole. Their funding support has directly put us in a position where we now have 2 lead pipeline therapeutic programs, where we've generated novel intellectual property that we're now in a position to protect and can leverage as assets in our startup company. It's also concurrently allowed for us to apply for additional funding through the Scottish Enterprise, the high growth spin-out opportunity. That's allowed for us to cover more business and commercial activities which also support the company as we look to spin out. So, drug discovery and development is a notoriously huge challenge. There are many barriers put up to those going through that journey. We are, like is often the case with startup companies, very lean, small, so we rely quite heavily upon a broad but specialised network of collaborators, a multidisciplinary team that help us overcome these challenges. They do so by allowing for us to address the right questions in the right way with the right models. What that does is that does 2 things. That means that we can de-risk the potential against failure, but also potentiate and foster the potential for success. So for the next 12 to 18 months, we are aiming to be in a position where we can officially spin out from the university with our assets in the company, and then from that point become more of an independent entity and look to secure more serious seed funding. That seed funding will then support that company for the next 3 to 5 years, putting us in a position where we can hopefully develop one of our therapies from where they are now at a preclinical stage through to first-in-human clinical trials. We can hopefully have a tangible benefit to patients in need, and really just generally overall we're just looking to contribute further to what already is a world-class reputation of innovation within both the University of Glasgow but also within Scotland itself.